Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to contact Exness customer support so you can get help with account issues. Withdrawals, verification, anything you need. First, go to the Exness website and log into your personal area once you're inside. Look for support or help center. This is usually in the footer menu or in your account dashboard navigation. Click on Live. Chat to start a conversation with a support agent instantly. Live chat is great for most questions, and you'll often get an answer within minutes. If you prefer email, look for the Contact Us or Email Support link. From there, you can fill out a form or see the appropriate email address for your region. Include your account login, a detailed description of the issue, and attach any relevant screenshots. This helps support process your request faster. Additionally, you can check the knowledge base or FAQ section inside the Help Center. Many common issues and questions are answered there already, like verification requirements, deposit methods, or withdrawal delays. And if you're using the Exness app, you can often tap Profile, then Support or Chat, and start a conversation right there on your mobile device. That's it!
Okay.
Now you know all the ways to contact Exness support whenever you need help. If this was useful, hit like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on trading platforms and tools. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.